student, welcome back to the part 2 video of your chapter library functions. So far you have seen what are various numeric functions, and then your character function, and then some of the string function, that is strlen, strcpy, copy and so on. Okay. Now let's start from strcmpy. strcmpy function is basically used to compare one string with other, okay, with the first letter character beginning in each string and continuing to subsequent characters until the corresponding characters differ or until the end of one string is reached. The characters are treated as unsigned character type. Okay. Now you can see here, return type is integer. It will return a negative value, a positive value or 0 value based on the comparison result. You can see strcmp, the function name has been written, and in parenthesis 2 argument has been passed. One is charac1, first string. It is a string is the group of array. It is a collection of character type of data. So it will be in array form, and char2, the another set of array, okay, for the string, and both has been separated by a comma. Now in the above syntax, function will return some value, and what are the value it will return? It will return a less than 0, that is a negative value if char1 is less than char2, and it will return 0 if both are same, that is equal. Okay. They both are same, none of the letter is different from each other, and it will return a positive, that is a greater than 0 if char2 is less than char1. Okay. Now let's see the same with the example. You can see here hash include, this is the first beginning of your every program. Whichever functions you are going to use in your program, based on that you have to include the header file. Okay. Now you can see these are preprocessor directive. Beginning of all your C programs should be started with the preprocessor directive only. Okay. And preprocessor directive is nothing, it is just the inclusion of header file from which you are going to use function for performing various tasks in your program. Just after preprocessor directive, your main method start, for which you have to write void main and an empty parenthesis. After this, opening braces, two variables have been taken as integer type I and j. Then I is equals to, since they both strcmp returns an integer value, signed or unsigned integer value. Okay. So str equals it is here written I is equals to strcmp, and the first string is Neeraj and the second one is Pankaj. Okay, so there they are checking for a constant value, constant string value, and then j is equals to strcmp, then Harsh and then Harsh, both are same. Now printf comparison 1 is, that is the I1 is I, and here it should be %d. Okay, they have missed this, so just make the correction in your book also. Then printf /n, that is from new line, the second message will be printed or displayed, that is comparison 2 is %d and j. Okay, and now at the end it is written get ch. So here you can see -2, okay, because you can see here char1 is greater than it is Pankaj, so it is the -2, and then 0 is there, that is both are equal, Harsh and Harsh both are equal, so it will return 0. Okay. So same way another function we have strref function. Now this function is used to reverse all the character. Reversing means, suppose you have written toy, okay, and reverse of it will be YOT. Okay. So that is, it is written in the reverse order, that is the last character first, then second last, third, second, and so on. Okay. So you can see it means the position of the characters will be reversed using this function. For example, Abha is written, so it will be written from the back side AHBA, and syntax is strref. Now S should be written in small strref, and in bracket you have to write the string which you want to reverse it. Okay. So you again you can see stdio.h, conio.h is there, and string.h for using string function. Then void main, as I told you before, then int x is there. Now char st10 comma s underscore st, this is a variable name, and it is of character type of data, and it can hold up to 10 characters. That is why it is written in the form of array, because string is what? It is a group of characters only. So, they has to be stored in an array of character type of data only. Then CLR-SCR for clearing the output screen. Then printf, enter any word it is asking. So, scanf is there, %s and s_sc for this. So, scanf is you are getting the value from the user. Then strcpy, you have to copy the original string into somewhere. Okay. So, s_st and s_sc. So, the target one is s_st and the source one is s_sc, and str which one you have to reverse? The source one, that is strref s_sc. Okay. So, you will be passing only single argument in the strref function. Now, you can compare to check whether the string is palindrome or not. Palindrome means that, for example, this is the word, okay. Suppose here you have written tot, okay. Now, palindrome is what? If you will reverse, so again it will be same. So, such kind of value is known as palindrome. That is, after reversing, if it is equivalent to the original value, then it is called palindrome. Okay. It can be on palindrome number, but here it is palindrome string type it is checking. So, you can see a copy of the string was already there, original one was already stored in str s_st. Okay. So, you can compare if strmp is if strcmp and s_st comma s_st is equivalent to 0, and 0 will return when both are same. So, you can print for it is palindrome, else printf it is not palindrome, and you can write get ch. Okay. So, this way you can check, you can reverse the string, and then you can check whether the given string is a palindrome or not. Okay. Next is str lower function. Now, LWR is used to convert a string of uppercase to lowercase. That is, uppercase here means capital letter and lowercase here means small letter. Okay. So, whichever string is there in st_s source, it will be converted into small letter. Okay. Suppose st, you can see here in an example also, all the preprocessor directive has to be included, then void main, then char a is equals to, when you give a constant value, then no need to define the size, just leave that empty square bracket and you can write there umme. You can see it is written in capital letter, that is in uppercase, and CLR-SCR for clearing the output screen, then printf %n and then %s and comma a is written. Okay. So, str lower, LWR is there, a is there, and /n again here what you have to write %s they have missed out. Okay. So, you can write here and get cs. So, what will happen? That str LWR will convert the a string into lowercase, that is in small letter, and you can see the output. This was the input and output is in small letter the same string. Okay. Same way is the str upper for converting into capital letter. Okay. That is in uppercase. Okay. So, again the same method, char a, Mariam is given as a constant value of a character, okay, string, and you can see you have to, or when you have to give a string as a constant value, it has to be enclosed within double quotes. Okay. Then CLR-SCR for clearing up the output screen, then printf /n %s, a is written, and str UPR, that is upper a. So, you will be writing only UPR when using in program. Okay. So, it will convert the a string into capital letters. See the output of it. You can see here Mariam is written and in capital Mariam is written. So, it is very easy, simple. Okay. It is very easy and very simple, children. All you have to do, learn the functions, each and every use very carefully, the syntaxes should be done very carefully, and the proper sequence of writing the program also you should be learning very thoroughly. Okay. So, just read out, learn the practice, and whatever program is given, just practice them. Okay, children. Thank you.